What is the difference between slash and slash slash when used for division? Is there a benefit to using one over the other? In Python 2, they both seem to return the same results.
In Python 3, x, 5, 2 will return 2.5 and 5//2 will return 2. The former is floating point division, and the latter is floor division, sometimes also called integer division. In Python 2.2 or later in the 2x line, there is no difference for integers unless you perform a from _feature import division, which causes Python 2x to adopt the 3x behavior. Regardless of the feature import, 5.0//2 will return 2.0 since that's the floor division result of the operation. You can find a detailed description at PEP 238, changing the division operator. Python 2x clarification. To clarify for the Python 2x line, is neither floor division nor true division. Slash is floor division when both args are in, but is true division when either of the args are float.
// implements floor division, regardless of your type. So 1.0/2.0 will give 0.5, but both have 1//2 and 1.0//2.0 will give 0. See PEP 238, changing the division operator for details.
Now if you want to have, in Python 2.7, the same output as in Python 3.5, you can do the following. Python the 2nd of July 2010. Whereas there isn't any difference between floor division in both Python 2.7 and in Python 3.5.
As everyone has already answered, // is floor division. Why this is important is that // is unambiguously floor division, in all Python versions from 2.2, including Python 3x versions. The behavior of can change depending on active_feature_ import or not, module local, Python command line option, either qold or qnew.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.